Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a closer look at Rushmoon. Rushmoon is an automatic liquidity acquisition yield firm and automatic market maker decentralized exchange built on the Binance Smart Chain, which is one of the best chain technologies available today. By adopting Binance Smart Chain, it enables Rushmoon to offer fast, safe, and low fees services through a user friendly and responsive interface. With the various features provided, it allows users to maximize the return on their investment. Users don't need to be complicated for KYC or sign up. They only need to connect their VSC wallet, choose the right product, and start earning right away. Let's talk about the features of Rushmoon. First is automatic liquidity. Each move of Rush should pay a 5% trade charge. The 4% trade charge gets added to the liquidity pool. Throw the understanding normally to rise the oath floor continually. In addition, the liquidity will be darted and inaccessible. Second feature is automatic burning. As Rushmoon has referred to above, each move of Rush should pay a 5% trade charge. The 4% trade appraisal will be dispersed to modified liquidity acquirement. Moreover, the rest 1% trade obligation will be scored immediately. The whole cycle is modified. Third feature is Harvest Lockup. Procure Lockup is a remarkable prices lockup framework used to confine the repeat of Grether. It is expected to the world developing trade boards from constantly assembling and dumping. Fourth feature is store fee redistribution. A 4% store cost will be charged when customer enter checking on Rushmoon. They expect to use the store charge to add more noteworthy liquidity repairs pool. This gives as opposed to the killed liquidity of Rush buyback pool. Fifth feature is buyback. Each time this limit is called 2% of liquidity is whipped out and the liquidity is then separated into Binance Coin and Rush. Binance Coin market buys Rush. The rest 99% of the Rush is then scored. 1% of Rush delivered of visitor of the ability to support customer spending cash. Sixth feature is reference program. An on-chain reference program has been executed to support customer to invite allies to join the developing. Inviters can obtain 1% of his or her mates pay until the cows come home. Besides, no migrator code, time lock, and trading incentive are other features of Rushmoon. Rushmoon plan to add a trading catalyst segment to their own automatic market maker decentralized exchange. Customers can secure tokens by trading on Rushmoon. Nonetheless, not equivalent to standard trading mining, the prices on Rushmoon for trading can be different tokens. Various endeavors can give their own tokens as compensation for demonstrated trading sets. So guys, why are you late? Get the best chance to earn money. Thank you everyone.